Capital One just released a new credit card and they decided to go with the name Venture X. I don't really like the name too much. It sort of sounds weird. It sounds like a placeholder name, but whatever works. So what's the welcome bonus for this card? The welcome bonus is 100,000 bonus miles. However, you have to spend $10,000 within 6 months. That's quite a bit because the American Express Platinum card also has a welcome bonus of 100,000 MR points. However, you only have to spend $6,000, $4,000 less than the Capital One Venture X card. My advice is make sure you know you can spend that much. That's a lot of money to spend. Per month, that means you will have to be spending $1,600.66 to just reach the welcome bonus. And that's quite a bit. Even if you try to use the credit card to pay off rent or pay off mortgage, that's still quite a bit. Some people's mortgages and rent aren't that high. So it has a pretty decent welcome bonus. And with that kind of level spend $10,000 within 6 months, you would think this would be a high annual fee card. Comparative to what Capital One offers right now, yeah, it's pretty high, but compared to the Chase Sapphire Reserve at a $550 annual fee, or the American Express Platinum card at a $695 annual fee, the Capital One Venture X card only has an annual fee of $395, which isn't bad, especially when you factor in the multipliers and the credits that they give you when you hold this card. So what are the multipliers of the Capital One Venture X card? So for all eligible purchases, it's going to be an unlimited 2x miles. However, it gets a little bit interesting when you use the Capital One travel portal. You'll get 5x miles back on flights and 10 times miles back on hotels and rental cars. And reminder, this is all through the Capital One travel portal. You have to book this stuff through the Capital One travel portal. And those multipliers aren't that bad. They're actually really similar to the Chase Sapphire Reserve's multipliers. But I think the most interesting thing about this card is actually the credits. So you'll get $300 back as a statement credit after making a purchase through the Capital One travel portal. You'll also get a $200 statement credit for vacation rentals like Airbnb. However, this one is only a limited time benefit. Also, every year you hold this card, you'll get a 10,000 mile bonus. So with those credits alone, they easily cover the Capital One Venture X card. So the annual fee is $395. In the first year at least, assuming that the limited time benefit will expire after the first year, you'll get $600 worth of credits in value. And assuming they don't add anything else after the Airbnb credit expires, holding this card you'll get $400 worth in value in credits, which is enough to cover the annual fee that you're paying for this card. So of course, this is a premium travel credit card. It's expected to have Priority Pass, which it does. Not only does it have Priority Pass, but it also gives you access to the Capital One lounges, which are pretty standard nice lounges. So far, they only have one opened in the Dallas Fort Airport, with plans in 2022 for the Denver Airport and Washington DC's International Airport. Also, just like the other premium travel credit cards, you'll also get 2 free guests, even for the Capital One lounges. The Capital One Venture X card also gives you back a $100 statement credit for either global entry or TSA PreCheck. What's also interesting is the authorized users on the Capital One Venture X card. So for authorized users, it's not going to cost you anything, but authorized users basically have the same access to lounges as the primary user. So if you use this right, you can bring 2 guests. Then when you get an authorized user, they can also bring 2 guests. I'm assuming they're going to have a limit on authorized users, but for the American Express Platinum card, the limit's pretty high for the Gold card. And I'm also assuming, like the American Express Gold Platinum card, that'll also cover for TSA PreCheck and global entry. So if you use the Capital One Venture X card correctly, I think you can get so much value by adding authorized users if that applies to you, and get way more value than any credit card on the market. And also, of course, if you hold a Capital One credit card, you'll also have access to the Capital One experience program, such as dining and sporting events, which is pretty standard stuff. Like they hold extra tickets for Capital One credit card members, or maybe holds a little section for Capital One credit card members or a little booth, but it's nothing too special. Another benefit of this card is getting access to Hertz President's Circle, and this status is for primary card holders, authorized users, and account managers, and it's a pretty good status upgrade. You'll get guaranteed upgrades. You'll earn more points faster with Hertz. You'll even get access to your own dedicated line with Hertz. And one of the last benefits is cell phone insurance. Of course, you'll have to use the Capital One Venture X card to pay for your cell phone bill. But overall, it's a pretty nice card, especially for the annual fee that it's priced at, only $395. So if this seems like a card you actually want, especially for the first year's value and credits in the welcome bonus, to qualify, it's recommended to have a good or excellent credit score. So something above 700. Of course, you're not guaranteed if you have a credit score of 700 or over. It's just a better chance that you'll be accepted. But yeah, it's a pretty pretty solid card. So for the first year, I think it's actually worth it. It's at least worth a try for the first year, with all the credits and welcome bonuses. And that'll do it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you later.